right, ladies and gentlemen, we are back with another banger. But anyway, what we're doing today, Arya's not really going to take part in because we don't want to damage her hearing. I'm just going to cut out that steel plate for the cross member and try to weld that in. So here goes nothing. Not really a welder. Are you a welder?
What's a welder? Bless you.
Somebody who sticks two pieces of metal together, because Dad's not much of a welder.
I think I would know how to do that.
You think you would know how to do that?
Yeah.
You use like super glue?
Yeah.
I don't think that's going to work for us.
Or that.
What you talking about? Oh, liquid nails?
Yeah.
Think liquid nails will hold it together for us?
Yeah.
All right. Well, we'll try that at some point. But anyway, I'm going to get to it now.
Bye. I will not be there, so bye.
All right. So we're just going to get it drawn on here, more or less. So I can cut this shit out with my grinder. Yeah, so I tried my hand at welding, and it was bad. I suck. So I didn't put that plate in there, and I guess we're just gonna go without it. I mean, I don't think we needed it for structural integrity or anything. I just wanted to make it look a little better, but I started making it look worse. So I figured I'd finish that with the stop with the welding. And me and Ari are about to drop this motor in here and finally get these motor mount bolts in there. Anyway, she should be out here in a minute or two, and we'll do it then. All right, guys, we got Arya back, and we're finally gonna get this the 6-liter dropped in here, bolted in, get the motor mounts in there anyway, the motor mount bolts. So now that Arya is back, and we can finally say we LS swapped this deal, right, baby? Right?
Yeah.
All right, let's get her done. All right, Arya, come here. Come put this bolt through here. You're gonna put this through the front right here. Okay. I'm gonna align it, and you just put that bolt in when you gotta look at the front hole though, see where it's lined up. All right. Ready? Push it through. Just see if you can push it. They go all the way through?
Yep.
All right, nice. Let's do the other side. All right, ready for the second bolt?
Yep.
All right, see, go ahead and see if you can get it in there. Should be fairly lined up. Nice. It is officially LS swapped. What? Nice. Good job, baby. All right, guys. Just got to put the washer and the nut on the other end. And this thing is officially, quasi-officially swapped in. Next thing I got to work on is not losing that nut. After that, I got to fix the trans cross member. to hold our trans up, obviously. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and let it down so it can settle properly. All right, guys, boom. That LS is in there. Good job, baby.
Thank you.
All right, I just got to tighten up those bolts and figure out the transmission cross member.
We did it!
Yes, we did. Finally. Got the LS 6-liter LQ4, whatever you want to call it, in there. Good job, baby. And
Thank you.
next I got to figure out that cross member, like I said. And we'll go from there. And then the hard part, electronics and drive shafts and other things. Okay, baby?
Yeah.
But all right, guys. Anyways, thanks for watching. And hopefully we see you on the next one. Please like and subscribe.
Smack that like button.
And subscribe.
Smack the subscribe button.
And have a great
And
rest of your day.
smack the share button.
There you go, too. Smack the share button as well. All right, guys. Thanks. See you on the next one.
Bye.